All right, time to do a little garden tour. See how things are looking. It's about 2 weeks after initial planting, roughly. You can see these cantaloupe are just doing so great. Here's another one. I mean, they look so good. There's a watermelon right there. Has the same length on it. Leaves don't look as big and bright. But here we have a cucumber, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, this is Market More 76. So this is out in the sun right here. And if we move to under the mesquite tree, you'll notice that this one is doing, I think, really well. I just think that the plants need some shade, and this one has it. So you can see that I just feel like it's more lush. It's just has a little more energy than the other one. I just don't think they need this much sun. They have all been getting them, you know, the same amount of water. You can see some of these are just not looking so hot. But again, the cantaloupe. Living the dream here. Wow, look at that. That's ready for a trellis. I just planted some potatoes. So I had you can see, didn't get the purple ones in. Wasn't sure where to put those. But all that is going to be potatoes. But here, look at another cantaloupe. Really healthy. This is a squash. This is a different, I think it's maybe a Tahitian melon squash. So if we come around here, the tomatoes are looking all right. You know, not all the flowers are getting pollinated. So have some fruit set, which is awesome. And the borage is right there. It's, you know, this plant's still flowering. But I don't see tons of pollinators. A little worried about pollination. But here's my persimmon tree. And you can see the flowers there. I don't know if that fruit is set or not. I think it might be. You can kind of see in there, maybe. But it's going to be a Fuyu persimmon. Still have the tag on there. And I put a cucumber, pepper, and basil plant. And this is burdock root, I think, right around there, just to see how they do. And this cucumber is about to start weaving. You can see tendrils coming out. That's the little leaf Arkansas cucumber, and they are tiny leaves. I don't know why they're so tiny. But there's another pepper plant. So this swale I dug out a bit more. I might do a little bit more digging because these mesquite tree roots got in the way, so I couldn't do a straight line there. So I might have to divert around the mesquite tree. But it's looking all right. Things are growing. You know, it's good to know what seems to like this weather more than the other ones. And I think cantaloupe right now is the winner. We'll see how the season goes. Really hoping my tomato plants do all right. Dill is starting to get used to it. It was a bit brownish before, or orange maybe, but now it seems to have taken hold. So some more tomatoes will be really nice. Some more there.